let's talk about Motorola Moto G6 Play. Motorola Moto G6 Play is due to be launched in December 2017. Moto G6 Play comes in multiple color options like black, gold and grey, which are also priced the same. The Moto G6 Play is a mid-range Android-based smartphone that comes encased in an all-metal body. The device looks sleek and evokes a premium feel. The smartphone also comes with a fingerprint reader which is embedded in the front-facing home button. Users can record more than one fingerprint, which can be used to unlock the device. On top, the Moto G6 Play boasts a 5.5-inch Full HD IPS display which is paired with wide viewing angles that provides a unique visual experience while gaming and watching videos. Camera and connectivity. For imaging, the device hosts two 16-megapixel cameras, one at the back and one at the front. The 16-megapixel rear camera, which along with an LED flash is designed to capture lifelike images even in the dark. One can also indulge in selfies and video calling courtesy the front-facing 16-megapixel shooter. For connectivity, there are options like 4G, Wi-Fi, GPS, VoLTE support, Bluetooth 4.2, and a Microsoft 2.0 port. One also gets dual SIM support along with the Moto G6 Play. Performance and battery. Under the hood, the smartphone draws its power from an octa-core Snapdragon chipset which is coupled with 4 GB of RAM that ensures smooth and lag-free performance while multitasking and playing games. The Moto G6 Play is equipped with a non-removable Li-ion 4000 mAh battery which is good enough to last for more than a day even for a heavy user. Platform and storage. The Moto G6 Play ships with an onboard storage capacity of 64 GB which can be expanded using a microSD card as per user requirement up to 256 GB. On the software front, the device runs Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box.